Hey everyone, I haven't been live in a while due to some mobility issues, so I thought I'd go live and share with you some Happy Mail. Let me see if I can pull you up so I can also watch. Let's see here. I hope everybody's day is doing well. Sorry about the dog barking in the background. He seems to think that everything resolves around him, so he needs to make sure that we all know that he's around. Okay, so I got my live pulled up. So what I do is I buy my crafts or my supplies online. I usually buy them from vendors that I know, trust. Also, if they use their own products, that tells me it's a quality product. Now, I don't always buy the most expensive products because nobody wants to pay outrageous prices for their wreath. So I want to use a good, reliable product at a reasonable cost. That keeps the cost of my wreaths down so that the average working mom can afford them. So this box here is from Deco Exchange. They're one of the online services I buy from. The reason I picked them is because Damon does use his supplies, his own supplies, in the wreaths that he sells. His creative coaches also use the supplies that he sells. Okay, so let's get this opened. And let's see what we have here. Okay, first of all, we've got some, oh, I'm in love with this embossed ribbon. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is the glittered embossed ribbon. Let me get you out some here. Can you see it? The embossing in it, and then it's got a light emerald glitter to it. This is awesome. This will be great for St. Patrick's Day. I can use it for Christmas. I can use it for holidays. It's awesome. I'm really liking the way this looks. It's very nice. Okay, what else did we get? Oh, we got the same in yellow. Ooh, this is a daffodil yellow. This is beautiful. Look how stiff that wire is in that ribbon. These are 4-inch ribbons, and I use them to help my bows stand out from the wreath. Help the loops have some backing to them, some support. And that's a pretty lemon, daffodils, butterflies. That'd be good for Easter too. I like that. That's a pretty yellow. And actually, the yellow and green, that deep green and that lemony yellow look really nice together. Okay, so what else did we get? We got some gold fabric. Now this is called a metallic net fabric. This stuff is awesome for using as accents to those gold accents. You know how sometimes the gold mesh kind of looks, I don't know, tinny? It looks kind of, doesn't have that real good gold color to it. So this does. This is really nice. I like this. I use it in my sports theme wreaths. I use it in Christmas wreaths. You use it just like 21-inch mesh. It's soft and it glimmers really nice in your wreaths. Okay, I got me some Chanel stems. Now I use the 20-inch Chanel stems. I try to get the colors to match the wreaths that I'm making. Gotta have 20-inch. For some reason the little 12-inch ones don't seem to be long enough and they always break on me. I end up having to use double. What else did we get? We got a 5/8. Is this 5/8? No, this is 7/8. I use this as the center to all my bows. Well, 90% of my bows. It's that embossed again, 7/8, and it has that slight glitter to it. It's not enough to make it stand out really a lot, but it does show a nice color to it. Okay, give me just a minute. I need to sit down for a second. Let me get these out. These are my door hangers. Sorry if that makes too much noise for you. Okay, so in my door hangers, what we have here is we have the cow. The cow's been a popular door hanger. He's just so adorable. What this is made of a thin birch wood. It's painted with UV resistant, not UV proof, but UV resistant paint. And he's a little Highland cow. Now, he's got 2 holes here, if you can see the 2 holes, and that's where you would put your bow or your floral, what do you call them? Bouquets. But he is so cute. Sometimes I will put bows up here around the horns, bows kind of like Christmas or 4th of July. 4th of July bows would look really nice up there. Okay. So let's go ahead and go on. Give me just 1 minute. My TikTok gave me a message. I gotta see what it wants. Give me just a minute. You guys are so patient today. I always like going live on TikTok. Everyone is so nice to me. Let's get this up and running. Okay, so I got 2 of the Highland cows. And this I got for a Mother's Day special. This is a basket. And what it's done is they have it already cut so that you can fill your basket with florals. You attach your florals to here. And that makes a beautiful door hanger. I'll show you. I might do this one on live later tonight or Friday night. But it's so easy to fill this up with flowers and florals. And then when it hangs on the door or the wall, it looks like a bouquet. Yeah, let me see if I have some flowers just to give you an idea. So you would attach, of course you cut your stems down shorter, but you spread out your florals and you attach them to the centerpiece here so that it fills in and it gives your back a flat back to sit up against the door. But that is what you end up with. It gives your back a flat back to sit up against the door. But that is what you end up with. So that's box number 1. Okay, we have another box here. Here's our second box. This one I believe is also from Deco Exchange. 2 of the main vendors I purchased from is Deco Exchange. I also use Alexander & Co. And then I use Matt from MB Crafts Supply Company. Or Max. Okay. Oh, this is greenery. This is lovely greenery. Now, I know it's plastic ferns, and you go, plastic? I'm going to make memorial pieces out of these. And the reason I picked out plastic is because it will last a little longer in those urns that you put out on your graveside. They fade a little less than fabric ones do. Just look nicer, just a tad bit longer. I'm hoping to get all of these ready, my memorial pieces ready, by mid-April. Well, the first to mid of April, so that they will be ready to ship and be ready for Mother's Day and Memorial Day. I'm going to make some big guy pieces, but I'm also going to make some regular plain pieces. Here's another fern, just like it, only in a darker color. A good fern is always hard to find, so when I find a good fern, I load up on it. I don't take any chances. And then I got some small leaf greenery. This just adds a contrast to the fern. It's just a small leaf. It's a pusher, and what they mean by a pusher is I can push all of these stems up towards the top so that I have a fuller top. That's a nice small leaf fern. That's very pretty. I like that. Okay. And then I have one other box. I like how Deco Exchange puts my boxes in individual boxes. They don't try to cram everything in one box. I think that's very nice of them, considering. It's also less wear and tear on my florals. Okay. Oh, I see some beautiful pink flowers. Oh, those are purple. Ooh, look at those. Now, when you get florals like this, all you have to do is just give them a little love. And if they're really bad, if you've got a steamer, just steam them, and they'll fluff right back up. Does this tell what kind of flower it is? No. He's almost look like a mum to me. There's a nice purple. I got 2 of those. Here's another really nice one. Deco recently had a very nice sale. If you join their workshop coming up, they also have a special coupon where you can buy 40% off of all of their supplies. These are from Deco Exchange. I will post in the comments the link to their workshop. Like I said, if you join their workshop coming up next week, they have a 40% off coupon that you can sign up for and get 40% off of all of your purchases. And that coupon is good for the whole month, not just during the week. of the, oh, look at this one. This one's got the daisies. It looks like it's got spider mums in it and some star lilies. It's also got some really nice greenery in it. Look at that. I got 2 of those bushes. You know, this would be good in that basket. A bush like this where it's already combined the different florals would look really good in that Mother's Day basket. Takes out some of the work. Oh, here's some more light pink flowers. Ooh, I really like those. I got 4 of them. Look at these. Aren't these beautiful? I like the big full flowers for my center of attention. Again, if they're crushed, all we have to do is steam them, and that steam will bring them back to life. That's a beautiful pink. Again, this box is from Deco Exchange. Oop, lost it. One fell off. Again, just give these time and they will fluff back out after being in that box. I haven't been able to do much the past couple of weeks, so they've sat in the box longer than they should have. But aren't those gorgeous? Okay. Oh, and I love these. Look how, oh, they're the Real Touch. Ooh, they got that Real Touch feeling to them. I think these are hydrangeas. Can you see the pretty color in them? It starts out as a dark pink on the edges and then fades to a yellow in the center. And the leaves, look how realistic the leaves look. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece. I think I will put this in a wreath by itself and just let this and some greenery do all the talking. Those are beautiful, beautiful flowers. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh, I got some more of the polka dot ribbon. Now this is the Deluxe ribbon, the Deluxe brand. And what is two-sided? What this is two-sided. Like on this one, it's got polka dots on one side, and then it's got striping on the other. So this is for like that name brand premium ribbon, but not at the price. This is a much, much cheaper priced ribbon. That's beautiful. So I got that. I got it in 3 different, ooh, got it in 2 different sizes. See the 5/8? The 5/8 has a plain solid fused background. Now those backings are fused on there. They're just not doubled, they're fused. That makes a really nice, heavy, thick ribbon to work with. And also it holds a pearl. Look at that. Look how nice that wire holds that pearl. This is going to make beautiful bows. See how well that holds? So those are the 2 hot pink. Then I've got red for... Then I've got red for... Then I've got red for... Red with white polka dots and the red stripes on the back. That would look beautiful with my patriotic ribbon for the patriotic memorials. Those are really nice. What else do we have in here? I got another hot pink. Oh, this one's hot pink and orange. Let me show you this one. This has got the orange stripe in the back. Now for Halloween, the trends are hot pink, fluorescent orange, and the fluorescent lime green. So this is that really nice ribbon again with the hot pink and the orange. I'm going to use it for Halloween. It's a really nice ribbon. I like how thick it is. I got some pink and black here, 5/8. I use the 5/8 in the centers of my bows, and I also use them on my door hangers. I will probably use this one on the cow, the Highland cow. See how nice that is? Again, very well made. Got a very strong wire to it. I won't have to worry about having droopy loops. Again, this box is from Deco Exchange. Here's a pretty pink I got for Easter. It's got that chevron. Can you see it? It's got that chevron print. It's got the dark and the light pink in it. It's very unusual and different. And because they were having such a fantastic sale, I went ahead and grabbed another roll of the Deluxe Valentine's ribbon. I almost used all of it that I had. It's got the double side to it, where it's the Valentine print on one side, and it's got the solid red on the other. Very nice ribbon. I got me some red and black, and these are for my ladybugs. It's got the black stripe on one side. See how nice that is? And then it's got the red and black dots on the front side. Well, actually, I guess this could be the back, and you could use this as the front, whichever you like. It's like having 2 ribbons in one. Then I got the hot pink with the black dots. And then I got the pale pink with the hot pink glittered dots, micro dots on it. Again, I use this in my center of my bows and in the door hangers. My box from Alexander & Co. hasn't gotten here yet, but I will show you that when it gets here. And probably we will go live, if you're interested later, we will go live and we'll make this beautiful basket. And we'll use some of these florals with it. See how nice? They will fill up that basket, make it a beautiful Mother's Day present. We will probably use our yellow. Use some of our yellow ribbon. Can you see how that brings out the yellow in the base of the flowers? And I will probably use my pink and white deluxe ribbon, because that pink goes with the pink of the flowers. This is how I pick out my ribbon. I will lay it against the florals that I chose, and that's how I decide what colors of my ribbons to look for. See how that goes so nice with that yellow in the flower? And the pinks. Oh, that looks really good. Let's use this one too. Oh, that one would look nice in there too. But anyway, that's all that I have. I wanted to do a happy mail with you and show you what I have. And when my order from Alexander & Co. gets here, I'll share it with you. It's got the most adorable mushroom ribbon with it. I can't wait to use it. It has both the dark green ferns and the mushrooms. I think I'm going to put it on a grapevine with some small button flowers and some fern like this. This one might even go good here. So anyway, that's all I have for you. Where did I get my deluxe ribbon? I got it from decoexchange.com. Now, they have a workshop coming up. I'm going to share this hint with you, so spread the word. They have a workshop coming up calling Market Your Making or something like that. I'll put a link in the comments. But if you join their workshop, you can also have the option to buy a 40% off coupon. So that means you could get the deluxe ribbon for 40% off. And that coupon is good for the entire month of March. Wouldn't that be a bargain? It's almost like getting 2 rows for the price of 1. So if you're interested, I will post that link. If it doesn't work for you, let me know and I'll message it to you. But I don't get any commission off of this. I'm just sharing with you a way to get premium ribbon for your wreaths at a reasonable price. Okay? So everyone, thank you so much for watching. And what I'll do is I will talk at you later. And you all have a wonderful Thursday afternoon. Bye, y'all.